Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie. I hope everybody has been doing great since I've been away. I know it's been a while since I've done a video like this, and I'm just going to explain what we're doing. Okay, if you're new here, thank you for joining. My name is Jamie. I'll be 53 in August, and we're on a journey to become debt-free, save as much money as we can, establish a homestead or safe haven, as we're calling it now, a safe haven. We're getting prepared. We've got a garden going. We've got chickens out there, and we have been saving money to get the dog lot fixed. And today I'm just going to show you what we've been doing. Every little penny, coins, silvers, dollars, whatever, we are just rolling them, taking them to the bank, cashing it out, putting it in the bank or in our bag. We put our cash in our bag, and in this bag I'm going to show you how much we have saved. We also started saving soda cans, Monster cans, Red Bull cans, aluminum. Our recycling center just started taking aluminum again, so we're just doing what we can to pinch pennies, cut back on things, and I'm excited to show you how much is in here, what we have saved since the last video. This money, we call this our stash bag. If we have $1, we'll put it in there, $2, whatever. We've been doing a lot of garage selling stuff, Facebook Marketplace. It's just amazing if you put your mind to what your goals are. So this money that is in here is going to help us with the dog lot, which I probably already told you. And I'm going to count it for you guys. I've missed talking to you all. I've missed doing YouTube videos and everything. But I've just been extremely busy here at home. So we're going to get started. 1, 2, 3, 20, 40, 60, 80, 4, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 87, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 8, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 91, 93, 95. $895 is what we have saved just by cutting out things that we don't need, resisting the urge to spend, and like I said, a lot of little bitty side hustles, and just trying to save in case of an emergency, or save, I saved enough money to get my new phone. And it's just, once you get that mindset that there's a lot more important things that you need to be doing instead of wasting money, and we have really been trying to cut out wasting money. So that is what is in our stash bag, and this will go back into our safe. So let me give you an update. We lost a turkey. One of our turkeys passed away. I don't know what happened to him. I just went in to feed him one morning, and he was laying there, and that was sad. Oh, Mr. Simon just celebrated his 13th birthday. I can't believe I've had him for that long. Miss Luna has been a little nasty cat. She's not doing well with the new babies that are in the house, and her and Blossom are just fighting. Blossom is my little, well, she's not little. She's my rescue cat. We went and adopted her from PetSense, and she's just the most sweetest, lovable cat, and Luna is just taking out her frustrations on her. So, little Rudy and Gracie, we did decide to name her Gracie. They're doing good. They're little kittens that got dropped off here at the house, so, you know, I said God must have known they'd have a good home here, because they are just little babies. What's the matter, buddy? Rudy. He's over there whining. He's probably wanting to be fed. But we started buying at Royal King. That's where we go now to get our cat food, our dog food, and stuff like that, because it's so much cheaper and it's a better quality food for them. They're just amazing how they're growing. Shop with coupons, guys. I mean, I bought a Fetch to get the rewards back. It's just so much simple, you know, just click open the app, cut the coupon, scan your card or your loyalty card or whatever. That's how we're doing ours now. Just trying to make ends meet, you know, because everybody's saying that their economy is bad. My economy here in my area is actually getting a lot better. The grocery prices are going down. Egg prices are going down. Gas has went down. It's $2.79 a gallon now. It was like $3.02, but it's down to $2.79 now. Our milk hasn't went up. The only thing that I really complain about is the price of produce. I've noticed in my area produce prices has went up. Our meat prices are actually doing fairly well. So, I mean, you just have to shop around and find good deals. So guys, with that said, I'm going to jump off here, and I got to get ready, go outside, feed the chickens, feed the dogs, check on the garden. We have had some terrible, terrible storms coming in, so, or they have came in. We've got rain all this week coming up. So I'm going to make sure the garden's good, get it weeded, and I will catch you all on the next video. Sorry it's been so long. Thanks, guys. I love you, and I really appreciate you all for hanging with me. I'm going to try to get better on doing videos. So, anyway, remember to always wear a smile, because your smile can make somebody's day. And speaking of that, I found this cute little iPhone holder, and it says smile every day. You all do not know how much a smile could mean to somebody that's having a rough day. Anyway, catch y'all later. Bye.